This is the Quantum Flux 4. It is the most difficult puzzle in a series of 4 puzzles, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Benno Baatsen and made by Puzzle Master. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 10 out of 10 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to take it apart and reassemble it back together. The Quantum Flux 4 is a puzzle from a series of Quantum Flux puzzles. There are 4 puzzles in a series where this puzzle is the most difficult. 3 other puzzles are much easier than this one, and it will take you a lot of time before you will find a way how to take it apart, and then you have to assemble everything back together. If you like the Quantum Flux 4 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first you have to move this piece out, but not all the way, just one step like that. Then you push this piece from the bottom, one step up, and now move this piece to the front as much as you can. I don't know how much I can do that. Yeah, one step to the front, then you move this piece to the left and keep pushing this piece to the front. Now you can drop this piece down, move this piece all the way to the right, and now this part goes down. Here we have to move this piece inside, then push this piece up again. Here, I think that we have to move this piece inside one step, and now move this piece to the front like that, and probably drop this piece back inside, move this piece out like that, and as you can see, 2 parts are out. Then you can take these parts apart like that. This goes out like that, and the puzzle is solved. Ooh, that was quite a challenging solution. If you want to put everything back together, try to watch this video in reverse and you will figure out the way how to solve it back. If you like the Quantum Flux 4 and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.